Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be looking at numerical patterns in 9.5. Actually, really double numerical patterns. So we're going to look at a chart that's going to have 3 different entries in it, and you're going to find the pattern to be able to solve. We're going to have a table that looks similar to this. We have levels, extra lives, and coins. And we're going to have to solve and figure out how many extra lives we're going to have for the 8th level. So let's back up and let's look at the problem, and I promise this will make sense. So my friend Alice here is an avid video game player. She loves her video games. And in this video game, her favorite video game, mind you, she found that for each level in the video game she passes, that she wins an extra 3 lives, and she also wins 6 coins. So level 1, she gets 3 lives and 6 coins. Once she passes level 2, she gets another 3 lives and 6 coins, and so forth. So we're going to work to fill out that table to figure out how many extra lives she will get for the 8th level. But not only that, we also have to identify what rule that Alice can write in order to relate the number of gold coins to the number of extra lives that she won at any level. We have to find the rule. Okay, the relationship between the gold coins and the lives that she wins. Also, we have to come up with a relationship, a rule for how many extra lives Alice will have won by that 8th level, like I said. So here's my table. 0, 0, 0. Obviously, before she plays the game, she doesn't have any extra lives. She doesn't have any extra coins. But whoop, 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 she passes the first level, and she earns those 3 extra lives and those 6 extra coins. Second level's passed. Now she has a total of 6 lives and 12 coins. She wants to know, well, how many extra lives am I going to have once I get finished the 8th level? She's not there yet, but she's just one of those inquiring minds, and she wants to figure it out. So we're going to help her figure out how many extra lives she will have when she gets finished with her 8th level. So in order to do that, we need to figure out first the rule, some patterns, the pattern that's happening in between my levels and my lives and my lives and my coins. So let's see if we can identify that. So the first thing we need to figure out is our pattern between our extra lives and our coins. So we're going to look at our extra lives and we're going to look at our coins. And we're going to see if we can find a rule that fits. So I see I go from a 0 to a 0, a 3 to a 6. Oh, maybe they're adding 3. Maybe the rule is to add 3. Because 3 plus 3 equals 6. So for every extra life I add 3, and that gives me my coins. Let's see if that works. 6 plus 3 does not equal 12. It equals 9. So that can't be my rule. So let's go back. 3, how am I getting from that 3 to that 6? Oh, I know. 3 times 2 equals 6. Maybe that's my rule. Let's see. If the number of lives times 2 gives me my coins, then I should be able to do that across the board. Let's try. 6 lives times 2 should equal 12 coins, does it? It does! 9 lives times 2 equals 18. So far, so good. 12 lives times 2 equals 24. I'm going to multiply the number of lives by 2 to get the coins for that level. So now our next pattern that we need to identify is we need to figure out the pattern between gold coins and extra lives. a correlation between coins and lives, which is the same thing we did here, except backwards. So how do I go from the 6 to the 3? What would I do? Exactly, I'm going to divide by 2. I mean, it's the inverse. So I'm going to multiply by 2 to go from lives to coins. Then I'm going to do the inverse, and I'm going to divide by 2 to go from coins to lives. So if that's the case, I have 48 coins here, and I need to figure out how many lives I need, how many lives I will earn on the 8th level. Well, according to my pattern, I've been going from coins to extra lives. Let's look. Which one of these talks about going from coins to extra lives? Coins from extra lives. Well, this one says lives to coins. That's not what I want. I don't have on my chart, they don't give me the lives, and I'm finding this, so that doesn't help me. Coins to lives. That's the one I want. This is the rule that I'm going to follow, the second one here. So I need to divide the number of coins that I have by 2, and that will give me my lives. So if I have 48 coins, I'm going to divide that by 2 to get the number of lives. My calculation showed 24 extra lives. 24 extra lives I put there for 48 coins. Ta-da! Now let's check our 10th level. So let's find a correlation between our levels and our extra lives so that we can fill in this one, and then in turn fill in that one. What is my pattern between my levels and my lives? What am I doing? How did I get from that 1 to that 3? Maybe I added 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So let's see if that works the rest of it. 2 plus 2 does not equal 6. 3 plus 2 does not equal 9. So it doesn't sound like that rule's going to work. So let's try another rule. How did I go from that 1 to that 3? Well, 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 8 times 3 equals 24. I think that's a good rule. So to go from my levels to my lives, my extra lives, I have to take the number of levels and multiply it by 3. So for my 10th level, I multiply 10, number of levels, times 3. And that gives me my number of extra lives. So now we have to go from our extra number of lives to coins. So I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to find my pattern that talks about going from lives to coins. I think it's this first one here. Pattern between extra lives and coins. And according to that, I should multiply the number of lives by 2, and that'll give me the coins. Multiply the number of lives, which is 30. Multiply that by 2, and that'll give me my coins. Well, 30 times 2 is 60. Ta-da! So I think the real trick to this section and these style problems is really critical reading and also slowing down a little bit and really identifying the patterns that we need to solve the problems. Any questions, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer them tomorrow. Enjoy your evening and have a wonderful, wonderful day.